Did you know that you can earn a significant income on YouTube without becoming a household name? Imagine the freedom of being able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars per month without anyone knowing who you are or where your money comes from. Sounds too good to be true. It's not. By owning several faceless YouTube channels that generate consistent income, you can achieve financial independence and live the life you've always dreamed of. Welcome to Debt Busters, and welcome to another YouTube video. Today, we're excited to share with you 7 cash cow YouTube channel ideas that you can implement and start earning thousands of dollars in 2023. We'll show you how much some of these channels are currently making, and we'll give you step-by-step instructions on how to monetize them with affiliate marketing. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video. You won't want to miss out on these lucrative opportunities. Thanks for joining us, and we can't wait to help you start making money on YouTube in 2023. The first channel idea we'll look at is Metaverse Channels. Metaverse will be a big deal pretty soon, and because of that, many people are betting on channels like this. Some may wonder what the Metaverse is. The Metaverse is a computer industry vision of the next iteration of the Internet, a single, shared, immersive, persistent, 3D virtual space where humans can experience life in ways they cannot live in the physical world. Some of the technologies that enabled access to this virtual world, such as virtual reality, VR, headsets, and augmented reality, AR, glasses, are rapidly evolving. However, other critical components of the metaverse, such as adequate bandwidth or interoperability standards, are likely to take years or never materialize. A great example channel in this niche is called Metaverse Investor. This channel started on January 8, 2020, and now has nearly 30,000 subscribers. This channel creates content informing people about what they can do in Metaverse. They mainly create content that advises people on how to make money by playing Metaverse games. This channel has a great example video, 5 free-to-play NFT games so you can earn your first $100 fast. When you watch this video, you will see the various games and a voiceover explaining how to play the game to earn money. So how much money does this channel bring in? According to Social Blade stats, this channel received 78,212 views in the last 30 days, and they estimate that they make between $20 and $313. However, Social Blade estimates earnings using a CPM of between 25 cents and $4. The metaverse is a subgenre of the tech niche. Our research indicates that the tech niche has a historical average CPM of $8 to $25 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. Using these numbers, we estimate that this channel earns between $624 and $1,950 in AdSense revenue before YouTube takes their 45% cut. This amount is adequate but needs to be more impressive. So why did we include this channel in this list? Let us explain. You can make a lot of money with brand deals if you have a Metaverse channel. Many companies are investing heavily in the Metaverse. As a result, they have big budgets to spend on promotion to become the largest company in the Metaverse industry. We have a friend who owns a channel in this niche and makes money from brand deals despite having very low views. He accomplished this by hiring a virtual assistant who emails all of these companies and asks if they are interested in promotions. Another method is to look at other channels in this niche doing brand deals and contact the same deals to see if they need promotion. There is no reason why it should not work in your channel if it worked in others. The next channel idea on the list is Facts Channels. What happens in Facts Channels is that they make very simple videos that discuss facts about a specific topic. These channels are evergreen and always relevant. An excellent example channel in this niche is called 101 Facts. This channel was launched on September 29, 2015, and now has nearly 650,000 subscribers. This channel is currently utilizing the authority hacking strategy. Using someone, an organization, or anything else with a lot of influence is how this works. Making a video about them immediately piques the audience's interest in that person, country, or organization in your videos. Essentially, you ethically steal their audience. This is one of the best YouTube models to follow because you can instantly gain an audience. This channel has a great example video, 101 Facts about the Vatican City. This video was uploaded 6 months ago and has received over 25,000 views. This video is sure to pique the interest of tourists and Catholics around the world. When you watch this video, you'll realize how simple it is to make. All you need is free stock footage and a voiceover. So how much does this channel earn? Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. So how much does this channel earn? According to Social Blade statistics, this channel received nearly 500,000 views in the last 30 days, resulting in earnings ranging from $124 to $2,000. Our research suggests a CPM of between $2 and $5. We estimate that this channel makes between $992 and $2,481 per month in ad revenue. The next channel idea on the list is Cars Channels. One of our favorite niches is cars because the car community is very active and loyal. We can see this by looking at the views some of the car niche channels receive. An excellent example channel in this niche is called PD Evolution. This channel was created on March 12, 2012, and now has nearly 270,000 subscribers. This channel makes videos about crazy cars and then applies a format that might work well. For example, the most popular videos on this channel are those about supercars, which receive millions of views. An example video uploaded on this channel is Top 10 Most Expensive and Rare Lamborghini All of Time. This video was uploaded 2 years ago and has received over 3,200,000 views. So how much does this channel earn? According to Social Blade statistics, this channel received nearly 730,000 views in the last 30 days and made between $142 and $2,900 that month. Our research suggests CPM of $10 to $20. We estimate that this channel makes between $7,300 and $14,600. This is a substantial amount. Isn't it amazing to make over $10,000 per month just by uploading car videos? The next channel idea on the list is Health Channels. All health-related channels create videos that teach people how to improve their health in several ways. They also make videos informing people about the foods they can eat to help them lose weight, gain muscle, and do various other things. An excellent example channel in this niche is called Natural Cures. This channel was created on July 8, 2016, and it now has nearly 3,400,000 subscribers. They make videos that teach viewers how to improve their health using natural remedies. An excellent example video on this channel is Why You Should Sleep with Garlic Under Your Pillow. This video was uploaded 6 years ago and has received over 30 million views. When you watch the video, you will discover that it is extremely simple to make. All they have to do is find a picture of the remedy they are discussing and place it in the background, then write words on top of the picture, accompanied by a voiceover explaining the health benefits of that specific natural remedy. In the case of this video, the image in the background is garlic, and the voiceover explains the health benefits of garlic. These types of videos receive a lot of views because they can rank high in search results. YouTube can also recommend them to a specific demographic or people who want to gain or lose weight or live a healthy lifestyle. When you start a channel like this, you can improve your videos by using stock images and videos so the audience can understand what you're saying in the voiceover. So how much money is made by this channel? According to Social Blade stats, this channel received nearly 1,800,000 views in the last 30 days and is estimated to earn between $448 and $7,200. However, these figures are inaccurate. Our research suggests the health niche has a CPM ranging from $2 to $8. Using this CPM for the health niche, we estimated that this channel could earn between $3,300 and $14,850 in ad revenue alone. Affiliate marketing can help you make even more money in the health niche. You can sell supplements through affiliate marketing and keep a certain percentage of the commission, which is fantastic. The next channel idea on the list is Tech Channels. What happens in the tech niche is that they post videos that feature some form of technology. An excellent example channel in this niche is called Tech Zone. This channel was created on August 1st, 2016, and now has nearly 4,800,000 subscribers. They search for random related technological videos, combine them, add a voiceover on top of it, and upload it to YouTube. You may be wondering where they obtain these videos. They get their videos from other YouTube channels and use stock footage. What you want to avoid is simply using videos with no voiceover. After you've gathered your clips, you'll need to write an original script and then record a voiceover over top of them to avoid copyright claims. An excellent example video on this channel is 15 Fidget Gadgets Actually Worth Buying. This video was uploaded 5 years ago and has received over 13 million views. So how much money is made by this channel? According to Social Blade stats, this channel has received over 16,500,000 views in the last 30 days, and their earnings range between $4,100 and $66,000. Our research suggests a CPM of $8 to $25. We estimated that this channel makes between $132,048 and $412,650. Imagine earning up to $100,000 per month. Isn't that amazing, especially considering they can earn even more through affiliate marketing? The next channel idea on the list is List Channels. List channels are all about making videos in various sub-niches and then combining 5 videos to form one video. On the other hand, the new approach would be to create a top 5 channel within a specific sub-niche. You can start a general top 5 channel, but as debt busters, we believe this will not be as successful as starting a top 5 channel that focuses on a specific sub-niche. This is because YouTube is now more mature, and it isn't easy to go viral with these channels if you can't build a substantial audience. An excellent example channel in this niche is called Top 5 Set. This channel was created on July 2nd, 2014, and now has nearly 3,500,000 subscribers. When this channel started, it didn't focus on a specific sub-niche and created videos that were 10 to 12 minutes long. Still, now they focus on a particular sub-niche and create videos that are 14 minutes to even an hour long, which has increased viewer retention. So how much money is made by this channel? According to Social Blade stats, this channel has received over 5 million views in the last 30 days, and they estimate that they are earning between $1,300 and $20,500, which is also a significant amount. Social Blade also estimates that this channel earns between $15,400 and $246,400 per month, which is excellent. The last channel idea on the list is Finance Channels. Finance channels had to be included on this list because it has a high CPM and other monetization methods, such as selling digital products and doing affiliate marketing on these digital products. This is one of the highest paying niches with a historical CPM of $30 to $35. An excellent example channel in this niche is called Cash Pro. This channel was created on June 13, 2021, and now has nearly 64,000 subscribers. They educate their viewers on the various ways they can make money. An example video uploaded on this channel is Make Money Watching Videos 2022. This video was uploaded 6 months ago and had nearly 800,000 views. When you watch this video, you will realize how simple they are to make. You'll notice that no one is showing their face on camera, and all we see are stock footage explaining what's said in the voiceover. So how much money is made by this channel? According to Social Blade stats, this channel received over 620,000 views in the last 30 days and earned between $156 and $2,500. Our research suggests the finance niche has a CPM of $30 to $35. We estimate that this channel makes between $18,700 and $21,800 in ad revenue. Go to a website like clickbank.com or Digistore24 and search for products related to what you're talking about in the video. Then, pin the affiliate link to the product in the video's comment and description. When someone makes a purchase, you receive a percentage commission. That is a simple way to earn additional income quickly. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Which niches mentioned above were your favorite, and would you love to create content? Comment down below, let's engage. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2023 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I've selected just for you. Now you have options on which niches to use to make your faceless cash cow videos. But that doesn't help if you want to know how to make faceless TikTok videos and earn up to $500 daily. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know more about making money talking about crypto. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.